How to turn on or turn off S Pen screen of Memos on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Advanced Features. After click on Advanced Features, you will see click on S Pen. After click on S Pen, scroll down and you will see screen of Memos is here. If you want to turn off screen of Memos, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see screen of Memos is turn off. If you want to turn on screen of Memos, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see screen of Memos is turn on. You will turn on or turn off screen of Memos from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off screen of Memos on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.